Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1 where I am showing our investor account 420448 Super Forex Real account. You can check the investor password in the description of the video and you can log in into the same account. First of all, I would like to show you that the base capital of this account is $10,000 where trading started on this account on 7th of November 2019. We are updating this account since 14 months on our Telegram channel constantly. So this is our Flash Trade 1 major news trading Telegram channel, and first update about this account was made on 21st November 2019. All the details along with all the details, account ID, broker, server, password. During that time the profit made on the account was $965. As of now, the profit on this account has been increased to $44,700, and still we are updating this account on our Telegram channel. Here on 27th of January, we placed the two trades in GBP/USD with lot size of 0.1, 2.3 at price 1.3730. And here the trade was placed precisely from the level shown by our support demand and our trend indicator. This is our support demand indicator, and the line that you are seeing as of now, that is our trend indicator, multiple in one trend indicator. So based on that, we placed the trade at price 1.3730 with total lot size of 2.5, where you can see 2.4 lot size are closed while still the 0.1 lot is open. We booked total $200 profit, and in pips if we count then it's 80 pips of profit in GBP/USD with lot size of 2.4 lot size. So this is how we traded on this account. If you have any query regarding this account, then you can ask our WhatsApp or Telegram executive that how you can also get the same kind of indication in your MT4 to place the trade. Here we just trade GBP/USD. You can attach our support demand and our multiple in one trend indicator on your different currency pairs, different charts. You can trade here with using M1 and M5 time frame. You can do scalping on this account using M15, M30, H1 time frame. You can do day trading on this in your account using H1, H4 and D1 time frame. You can even do the holding trading in your account. So this is how this support demand and trend indicator work. So get this indicator in your MT4 or join our meter trading service and earn the same kind of profit. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, goodbye, take care and have a happy trading.